we are, Pedestrian Bridge. This bridge is closed, but guess what? I'm a YouTuber. I can check it out. What the hell, right? This pedestrian bridge, I was going to go before last time, but it's brand new. This will lead to the socialist train. As you can see over here, they're doing construction. So it goes all the way across. It's going to lead to the green line. I don't know if that's cracks already or not. I don't know, but you can tell it's a nice little bridge. You know? Kind of nice. Goes all the way across to the socialist train. So they want people to go to it, and Dunwoody's over here. They're doing all the socialist train stuff over here. It's nice. I don't know. We'll see if it's gonna, how it's gonna, all it's gonna crack. Anything else? Nice pedestrian bridge, huh?
What?
Nice pedestrian bridge, huh?
You doing a documentary?
Yeah, I did some pedestrian bridges. I'm just kind of doing it.
Somebody should do a documentary on this whole fiasco.
I did. I've done it. I did the whole thing.
This is the crazy things here.
I know.
That wall,
A lot of money.
that's like $5,000 a foot.
I know. Oh yeah. And they're putting down. Tiles. The things. They're cement. We want.
Yeah,
But they're gonna crack. They're gonna crack.
yeah. Well, they got pylons
Yep.
40 feet down in that wall.
Yep.
And what's it for?
They could have ran on this rail right here if they wanted to. They could have. They
They
didn't.
could have had a crosswalk.
Right.
Be walking down there.
Correct.
And trains have been coming through here like for 150 years.
And just like the tunnel, there's no reason to go underneath. There's no reason. Those trains have been there for a long time.
Yeah.
I know. It's a shame, but we love to spend money.
Well, back to the 1870s, they've
Yep.
been running through
I
here.
totally agree.
Never been a major accident.
I know, but they got to build all new stuff. Our money.
There's something fishy.
I agree. Well,
There's money under the table.
you're damn right. Have a good day. Have a good walk. Yep. I've done stuff on it. I know. You can tell. He knows exactly what he's talking about. So you can walk across this pedestrian bridge, and then there's right there is the.
My favorite is the bridge.
The what?
Over on Glenwood,
Yeah.
they raised it up.
Yep.
So you got to go 40 feet up in the air to meet a train intersection.
Right. I know.
They could have stayed in the cut and they would have been
I totally
40
agree.
feet from the stadium door.
Yep. I know. It's unbelievable.
That's like number one so far.
Yep. I agree. Have a good walk. I know exactly what he's talking about. This train has been here forever. It's a nice little, it's nice. It's a nice job. So there's the green line right here. I guess they had the rail too close, so they had to relay some of the track, pick it up and move it. So you guys saw me on the other ones walk along here. This is the Dunwoody socialist train right here. This is the mug station right here. So people will be able to walk across here, go over the track, and make their way to the thing here. You have also a bridge that goes across here. He's trying to go across. There he goes. He's going across there. There he goes. So there he goes. Not the only one trespassing. No, this could be simply open. It's not that tough. But, oh yeah, waste of good suffering. Pedestrian bridge here. This bridge is kind of nice. We did that one. It's really nice. It goes over there to Glenwood Avenue. But yeah, it's a socialist train for the Dunwoody. And that Dunwoody's way hell over there. It's a long ways to walk. That's 394. So I was here last time, you guys. I was trying. There's a ladder that was down there, so now you can actually walk across like he just did. So yeah, he's right, documentary. I mean, I did a whole thing on it. I mean, not going to go anywhere, but you can walk all the way over there, cross over there. But yeah, good old pedestrian bridge, green line. The socialist train that no one pays for. This could be open. There's no reason to know why it can't be. People go back and forth. Okay, just that park over here where I access to. We did the whole thing, bought a bunch of grass, did a really nice job on it. People walk back and forth. If you were, I mean, you can if you're at Dunwoody, you can bike over there, but you could. This should be open for people to use it. Why not, right? Here it sits empty, but yeah, there's the green line. They had to move it over or something. Someone measured it, and it was too close. Said move the tracks. But 7th day of July, you guys, 2024. I don't know, and they're supposed to be open. This could be open by now. If you stop me go through that tunnel, that should have been straight, no problem. Take the tunnel out of the equation. This is already up and running already. Been done. Just dumb. Too many bridges. They don't want the white folk to wait. They kowtow to the wealthy over there. Just stupid as hell. Yep. Here sits a bridge. Done. But for some reason, they don't want you to go on it. I don't know why. Just foolish. Yeah, the railroad ties are concrete. They're going to crack. Kind of come up here and you can go down on your skateboard, cruise on down here. But yeah, I just kind of figured you guys show you pedestrian bid for the green line, the Dunwoody. I want to call it the Dunwoody pedestrian bridge. That's what it's going to lead to. You know, but it's Minnesota for you, you guys, and all you people that pay taxes out there. This is what you're paying for. And the concrete looks like it doesn't a very good color. Probably going to crack right where those screws are, right down there. You watch. They're going to start to expand. Winter time, coming and going, sun baking on it. But, yep. Having the time of our lives on a pedestrian bridge. It's a great day for a walk. It's like, they're saying it's going to rain today. They were bitching the radio. It's not raining yet. Beautiful day. I'm going to go home and do the lawn. Hell yeah. But, yep. Anyways, guys. Another great day for a walk. Another great day for a video. I said the last video I saw the carpetbagger was in Mall of America for the weekend. Couldn't listen to a 30-minute video, it's too long. But guys got a little remote control. I got one at home, remote control. They're fun. I'd like to get a boat one someday. But anyways, you guys, we're at a pedestrian bridge. The government money for the socialist train. So. Yeah, he was old guy like me. He understands the waste of good suffering and good money. Yeah, so much for road closed, right? We're tax-paying people. We should be able to use our trail. Of course, you got garbage. So, anyways, guys, right back where we started. Heading back to the car. It's a beautiful park. We did all this grass over here, and I don't see anybody over here. Pumpkin ball over there, but anyways, guys, in July of 2024, hello 2025. See you next time.